Thank you for your interest in ExSilent products. YTango with the Merrick. How to fit a YTango successfully. The purpose of this training is to have a successful YTango fitting. This training assumes that you have prior knowledge of how to program ExSilent hearing aids using QFit 3.1 as presented in the QFit 3.1 training. The purpose of this training is to share some best practices with you on how to successfully fit a YTango. You will recognize most methods from fitting a RIC, or receiver in the canal hearing aid. This training aims to help you avoid some common pitfalls and to increase customer satisfaction. In this training, we follow the basic hearing aid steps that are normally taken after you have completed the measurement of the audiogram of the customer. Choosing the correct Merrick length, please use the tool provided. When in doubt, always use the longer length Merrick. If the Merrick length is too short, the OTE module will pull the Merrick too high or at an angle in the ear canal. This will increase the risk of feedback. If the Merrick cable is too long, the module will be positioned a little further behind the ear but will not affect functionality. Connecting the Merrick to the YTango OTE. Align the Merrick and OTE unit before inserting. Hold the connector cable and push it in. The Merrick connection is durable, so slight force may be needed to fully insert the connector. Once the two parts are aligned correctly, it should be pretty easy to insert and disconnect the module. Please note that the Merrick connector has a small rubber O-ring to secure it and prevent moisture from entering the connector. Disconnecting the Merrick. Remove the Merrick from the OTE module by pulling the cable with a slight wiggle movement. The connector is firmly attached to the cable and is designed to be removed this way. Soft domes. There are various open and closed domes available for the YTango. It is important to use ExSilent supplied soft domes with cerumen protection. Merrick dome selection. The technique used by the Merrick requires a slightly different approach than you might normally use for a RIC fitting. Starting with the larger closed dome will greatly reduce the chance of feedback. If the patient is experiencing occlusion, work your way down the closed dome sizes until the occlusion is managed. If occlusion continues to be an issue using closed domes, switch to the open domes using the same method, starting with the largest size dome. Attaching the soft dome. Make sure to insert the Merrick into the soft dome completely to ensure proper retention. Connecting the programmer cable to your YTango. A connector socket located on the bottom of the YTango module will fit a standard CS44 programming cable. Align the red dots and gently insert the cable. When inserting the device into your patient's ear, please mute the device. Remember, during programming you can mute the device when changing settings or placing the device in the ear. Fitting. What to do if you encounter feedback. If the soft dome and Merrick length selection do not eliminate feedback, go to the fine-tuning selection in the QFit software. Select side with feedback challenges. Reduce the level in the following bands: 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, and 6.5K. Increase the gain level in each band in small steps until you reach the gain level needed to satisfy your patient's needs. Memory management and AirTap. AirTap is simple. AirTap is used to switch between memories, with the maximum of 4 programs. AirTap is available for the YTango Pro and YTango Pro T. Memory management and AirTap. Limit the number of memories. Start with only 2 programs instead of 4. After patient experience has been built, additional memories can be added. You can set the number of memories in QFit 3.1 via the tabs Fitting/Memory Settings. Memory management and AirTap. Single tap or double tap. By default, the AirTap switch is set to a single tap. In rare cases, patients may experience unwanted triggers by certain sounds that change the YTango's program. To accommodate those users, the air tap setting can be set to a double tap. This is found in QFit 3.1, Fitting, Features, Acoustic Switch. After fitting, put the socket covers on the programming connector. When programming is complete, replace the programming socket covers to protect the programming socket from moisture and debris. 2 socket covers are provided with each YTango module. The cover should be pressed in completely to prevent moisture or debris from entering the socket. Please contact us with any further questions. Thank you for watching this presentation. For additional product information, please visit www.ExSilent.com.